Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This video car maintaining information. So let's go for video. The car maintenance checklist. Properly maintaining your car is key and keeping it the good working condition. It can also help ensure your safety, the safety of your passenger and other drivers on the road. Here's a list of 11 things you can check to help keep your car running smoothly. Number 1, check tire pressure and rotate tires. Number 2, check the motor oil. Number 3, check other important fluids. Number 4, test the headlights and number 5, check and repair windshield wiper. Check the engine air filter. Number 7, check the cabin air filter. Number 8, test the battery. Number 9, inspect the brake. Number 10, check belts and hoses. Number 11, wash your car. The importance of routine car maintenance. Vehicle upkeep can help prevent expensive repairs and retain a car value when it's time to sell or trade it in. According to Kelley Blue Book (KBB), some routine car care tasks can be done at home, while others may require a trained technique or machine. For instance, if your check engine light comes on, a machine can help diagnose the problem through the car's on board diagnostic OBD with a scan tool, something the average person typically doesn't have at home. A qualified repair shop will also be able to inspect and replace other core components like the alternator, wheel bearing, etc. Scheduling regular tune-ups can help ensure that your car get other in maintenance item repaired as well before they lead to serious issues. It's good to bring your car in at least once a year of a checkup. According to KBB, always refer to your vehicle owner's manual of a more accurate maintenance schedule. But certain maintenance item may require more frequent of immediate checkups, while other may only needs to inspect every couple of years, depending on your specific vehicle at KBB. More frequent checkups depending on your specific car train maintenance can usually be done every 5,000 to 10,000 miles according to be bankrupt. Number 1, wheel change. 2, tire rotation, wiper replacement, brake pad replacement. However, there are other things that will need immediate attention if they happen, to prevent major issues. Some of these include: check engine lights, broken headlights, low tire pressure, less frequent checkups. Other car maintenance items may be examined less often. According to KBB, a few of these include: vehicle battery, chassis, steering and suspension system lubrication, transmission fluid, fuel filter, spark plug wires, etc. Exhaust system. Where's our full list of maintenance check that can help keep your car in good shape. Plus, maximize your resale value if and when the item comes. Number 1, check tire pressure and rotate tires. Knowing how to maintain your car's tire pressure can help reduce wear on the tires and help us ensure you are getting better gas mileage. Checking your tire pressure, including finding the recommended pressure in pounds per square inch PSI. Checking each tire and inflating to depending them accordingly. A flat tire is a hazard that can be dangerous to you and your car. There are several preventive steps you can take to help avoid to blowout, including rotating your tire every 5,000 to 10,000 miles and watching for tire recalls. Number 2, check the motor oil. Routinely checking and changing your car's motor oil and essential to keeping an engine is good. Running condition check your oil level each month and change it is directed to your car's owners and manual, typically in a certain time frame or a certain number of miles driven. You can change your oil yourself or take it to a service center. If you choose to do it yourself, learn the necessary step to drain the existing oil. Set the correct oil level and dispose of old oil. You should also know which type of motor oil is best for your car, regardless to whether you change the oil yourself. To take it to a service center. This generally means considering their things: the oil viscosity, whether to use synthetic versus non-synthetic oil, and your car's mileage. The recommended specific for motor oil can also typically be found in your car's owner's manual. Number 3, check the important fluid. There are several fluids that should be kept at the appropriate levels to help keep your car running properly. According to popular machines, your machine should regularly check this other 5 important fluids. Number 1, coolant, power steering fluid, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield wiper fluid. A leak with any of the first of fluid mentioned above can affect the way your car drives of your spot a lack of many be able to identify the fluid by its color. This can help you need your machine determine where the leak is coming from, and could help speed up repairs. So thanks for watching my video. I hope very urgently next video. So thank you, subscribe my channel, and next video watching. Bye bye.